Hello, everyone, and welcome to ImBoard. Our board helps startup CEOs manage all of their board of directors related activities in one platform. In this quick walkthrough, I'll guide you through the public demo so you can get the feel of the system, saving it disabled in this demo so you can explore anything freely. Let's start with the overview page. This page gives board members one glance view of what matters the most: key KPIs, upcoming and recent meetings in the latest documents shared with the board, all connected. At the heart of every board activity is the data. Clicking a KPI will get us the latest report. A report is a collection of dashboards such as cash, sales, HR, etc. This replaces the messy slide decks that he used to. It also highlights our philosophy. Everything is structured because once he structures your data, he can get much better insights using AI. When viewing a report, you can easily navigate through the different functions using these dots, and you can also refer to past reports as well using this bottom view. Now, let's look at the specific report in a specific dashboard. As an example, pipeline, and using the pen icon, you can drill down into report and basically seeing what data was used to populate it and how you can add it. So an example, this has 3 deals in the pipeline, and you can see this is how, and you did is edit, and you can remove it or delete a deal. This gives you a sense of how to create your own dashboards for your own board. Now, let's go back to the overview page. This gives you a sense of the meetings, last meetings, upcoming meetings, and the meetings are managed separately. And you can also use the system to schedule a meeting. In this case, there is a meeting which is announced, and you can see that we have 3 suggested slots, out of which one slot it has a no vote, basically my own vote saying no, as well as other slots with some of them saying yes, some maybe, some pending, just like any other scheduling tool, but all within the context of the board. The board documents hold the documents encrypted in transport and placement. You can also just include the link to your own repository, share the link with the board members, but in this case, ImBoard does not have access to your system. And you can have different versions for the same documents, in which case you don't have to reshare them, only shared with the same link. Of all this gives you a sense of the system and what it can do for you. Of course, feel free to explore them all and contact us, and we would be happy to collaborate with you. Thank you very much.